Welcome to this meditation for attracting abundance into your life. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and allow your breath to slow. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Let your breathing become soft and natural. Let your body become still. Let your mind become quiet. You are here. You are present. You are open. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice the weight of your body being supported by the surface beneath you. Feel the grounding beneath you, holding you safely. Now bring your attention to your feet. Relax them. Allow them to soften completely. Move your awareness slowly up through your legs. Relax your calves. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Allow your hips to soften. Let your lower back relax. Release any tension from your abdomen and chest. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Relax your arms. Relax your hands. Soften your jaw. Smooth your forehead. Your body is calm. Your mind is becoming clear. Your energy is opening. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to your heart space. Place your attention there gently. Notice any sensations, warmth, or subtle movement. Within your heart, imagine a soft, glowing light beginning to form. This light is gentle, it is calm, it is steady. With each breath, this light becomes brighter and more expansive. It fills your chest with warmth, comfort, and peace. This light represents your natural state of abundance, not something you must chase. Not something you must earn, but something that already exists within you. As this light grows, begin to silently affirm, I am open, I am ready, I am willing to receive. Let these words settle into your body. Let them resonate through your nervous system. Now imagine this light slowly expanding beyond your chest. It flows through your shoulders and arms. It flows through your abdomen and lower body. It flows upward through your neck and head. Soon, your entire body is filled with this soft, radiant light. This light is not rushed. It is not forced. It moves naturally, gently, effortlessly. Now, imagine this light extending outward from your body, forming a soft field around you. This field represents your energy, your presence, your vibration. Within this field, you are safe. Within this field, you are supported. Within this field, you are aligned. Now gently bring your attention to your thoughts around abundance, money, success, or receiving. Do not judge them. Do not analyze them. Simply notice them. If any thoughts of fear, doubt, guilt, or unworthiness arise, imagine them gently dissolving into the light around you. They do not need to be pushed away. They are simply being replaced. Replaced with trust. Replaced with ease. Replaced with openness. Now imagine abundance not as money, but as flow. Flow of support. Flow of opportunity. Flow of love. Flow of creativity. Flow of ease. Imagine this flow moving towards you naturally, like a gentle breeze or a slow-moving current. You do not have to reach for it. You do not have to chase it. You simply allow it. As this flow reaches you, it begins to move through your energy field and your body. You feel supported. You feel guided. You feel carried. Now imagine yourself standing in a wide open space, perhaps a field, a shoreline, or a quiet open sky. There is no pressure here. There is no urgency, only openness and space. In this space, you begin to feel a deep sense of permission. Permission to receive, permission to grow, permission to expand. You no longer have to prove your worth. You no longer have to struggle to deserve. You no longer have to carry the weight of not enough. You are enough. You always have been. Now gently speak to your inner self. It is safe to receive. It is safe to have more. It is safe to succeed. It is safe to live well. Let these words soften your nervous system. Let them relax your body. Let them open your heart. Now imagine your life gently shifting into greater ease. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but naturally and steadily. Imagine your days becoming calmer, your decisions becoming clearer, your opportunities becoming more aligned. Imagine support arriving at the right time. Imagine doors opening naturally. Imagine resources appearing when you need them. Not through force, not through struggle, but through alignment. Now imagine your body becoming familiar with the feeling of abundance. Not excitement, not urgency, but calm stability, security, trust. Let your nervous system learn this feeling. Let your body recognize this state as safe. Abundance feels calm. Abundance feels grounded. Abundance feels steady. Now imagine breathing in this feeling. With each inhale, draw in ease, trust, and stability. With each exhale, release tension, pressure, and scarcity. Breathing in, I receive. Breathing out, I trust. Breathing in, I am supported. Breathing out, I let go. Breathing in, I am open. Breathing out, I release control. Now, bring your awareness back to your heart space. Notice how it feels now compared to the beginning of this meditation. Perhaps it feels lighter. Perhaps it feels more open. Perhaps it feels calmer. Now gently repeat these affirmations. allowing them to flow naturally through your body. I allow abundance into my life. I trust the timing of my growth. I release resistance to receiving. I am aligned with ease and flow. I welcome support and opportunity. I am safe to thrive. I am safe to have more. I am safe to live well. I trust life. I trust myself. Let these words settle deeply into your subconscious mind. Let them reshape your beliefs. Let them soften your inner world. Now allow yourself to rest in this state for a few moments. There is nothing to do. There is nothing to fix. There is nothing to force. Simply be, being open, being supported, being aligned. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air entering your lungs. Feel it leaving your body. Feel your body resting where you are. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the space around you. Know that this state of alignment remains within you. You can return to it at any time by slowing down, breathing, and remembering. Carry this calm, trusting energy with you into your day. Let it guide your choices. Let it soften your actions. Let it shape your life. You are open. You are supported. You are aligned with abundance. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Return to your day, feeling calm, grounded, and receptive.